In order for this to pass Texas safety inspection, all the lights have to work. The brake light on this side doesn't seem to be working, and the marker light is also burned out. So we're going to fix that today. I ordered these off Amazon, Sylvania Super Bright LED. We're going to try those. I know with some vehicles the sensor doesn't like LEDs, and so you'll get a check engine light come on if you're using LEDs. I don't have a check engine light, and some of these are burned out, so I don't think it's going to cause any problems. But we're going to go ahead and try that out today. Plus, I just like LEDs. So to take this plastic cover off, pop the hood, take out the 2 screws on this side. I'll go ahead and take those out right now. You just have to use a little bit of force, and it'll pop out. It's got these little tabs that hold it in place. So the top one's the brake light. Twist it, pull it out. Now polarity does matter with LEDs. So what I'm going to do is install it, and we'll go check it. Yeah, you can tell this one's burned out. It's all black. It'll only go in one way. On LEDs, polarity does matter, but these will only install one direction. So it should be good. But to be on the safe side, let's go check it. So it's working. Go ahead and reinstall it. Just there we go. Nice firm push. It's back in. And then reinstall the screws. So at first I thought that this was just a marker light and that was the brake light, but just now trying it out, it looks like both of these are actually brake lights and marker lights combined. So this one was probably completely burned out, and this one was halfway, or I'm sorry, this one was probably halfway burned out, and that one was completely, well, one of those. Basically, they both need to be replaced. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. It's always best to replace in pairs, but I also bought enough to do both. Since I did LED, I wanted them to match. So there's the first screw. There's the other screw. So just like on the last one, twist it, pull it off, unhook. That one doesn't look bad. And then reinstall again. It won't go in the wrong way. Undo the top one. This one does look like one of those filaments is burned out. Set it back in. We'll go test it. There we go, nice and bright. Take it, firmly push it in, reinstall the screws. There you have it. Thanks for watching.